my name is Theodore Angel Fingerov. I am 12 years old and I am from Bukatima Primary School. I am here today to show you this robot that I made. It's called the folder, as I like to call it. This machine is meant to fold clothes, as folding clothes is one of the most tedious chores, and some elderly people who live alone might struggle with doing this task. There are three parts to my robot. The first part is this touch sensor, which you must press in order to activate the t-shirt folding sequence. The second part are these two medium motors. These medium motors will help to fold the sleeves of the shirt. The third part are these motors and this big plate. The motors will have to turn this plate inwards and fold half of the shirt. As you might have noticed, there are some rubber stoppers here. These are meant to absorb the noise when the plate hits the ground after folding. As you can see, I have two shirts of two different sizes. I will now demonstrate using both of them. Put it on here. This is the end result of the first shirt. Now I'll use the second. This is the end result of the folding of both shirts. Thank you for looking at my robot.